Ready for my upstyle. So I'm just wanting to keep a nice straight end, and I'm just working through trying to pick up that natural hair and extension just to blend it. So this is just a little bit of dry transfer to start with. Always pop it in the fringe area. Just going to brush out what counts. I love these pieciness, but obviously it's not for everyone. Your client doesn't want so much texture left out. You literally just wrap it up in a pin and pop them in. I usually like to start with a lot out and then pull it in as I go to perfect it. So I feel like maybe it's just a little too much. So I just wrap it really thin and I'm just sticking there. It's super simple. When I use the hairpiece in an upstyle, it has a really strong hold. But also, of course, it helps you to build a lot of fullness. It can be really great for people who don't have maybe enough length or enough fullness to get the look they want. Adding the hair just really helps.